Welcome to Nova Scotia, my first day. I just drove from Quebec. A nice 12 hours, but definitely worth it. So let's cruise around. See how far I can go. Oh, feel the connection is not that good. I think I do have a good spot. Look at this place, huh? How great is that? Oh, gotta go up. Feeling it's gonna lose connection. Yeah, 1300 meters. Gotta keep it up. Look how beautiful is that. Gorgeous. I will come back in the morning. Look how beautiful is that. You definitely worth the 12 hours, actually 14 hours drive, but cruise here. Yeah, let's go up. Alright, now I can come down. Yeah, can feel it good. It wants to disconnect. Go up a little bit. Not that far, but sometimes it just happens. Look how gorgeous is that. Yeah, now I can go lower. Having a hard time with the connection. Pretty close though. Yeah, sometimes it happens. But what a gorgeous run. Look, oh my god, look how beautiful is that. 35%. I set my angle to 40. So yes, it will not the best for the battery life, but you get a bit more speed. Beautiful, huh? Alright, let's come back. A couple of boats over here. Nice, huh? Beautiful. Let's come back in line. Nice first run to my vacation. I'm gonna be here for 3 weeks, so I should get lots and lots of beautiful footage. Alright, so thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of my first spot.